In this video, I'll guide you through how to build a sales pipeline in Brevo. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or just getting started, creating an effective sales pipeline is crucial for managing and closing deals efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to brevo.com. Brevo is a powerful platform that helps you streamline your sales process and manage customer relationships more effectively. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you can easily sign up by following the prompts on the website. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the CRM section. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's a vital tool for any sales strategy. By clicking on CRM, you're essentially opening the door to a more organized and streamlined sales process. Here, you'll find various features and tools designed to help you manage your customer interactions and data. Next, you'll want to click on the Deals tab. This section is where the magic happens. Deals are the individual opportunities or sales leads that you can track through your pipeline from start to finish. By clicking on Deals, you're taking a crucial step towards organizing your sales efforts. Now it's time to create a new deal. Simply click on the Create a Deal button. This is your opportunity to set up a new sales opportunity within your pipeline. Creating a deal allows you to keep track of potential sales, understand where each deal is in the sales process, and what actions need to be taken to move them forward. Once you've clicked to create a new deal, you'll need to enter the necessary details. This includes information such as the deal name, the value of the deal, and any relevant notes or descriptions. Be as detailed as possible here, as this information will help you and your team understand the context and progress of each deal. Including important details ensures that every team member involved is on the same page and can contribute effectively to the sales process. After you've entered all the required details for your new deal, it's time to finalize it. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with the information, click on Create. This action officially adds the deal to your sales pipeline and makes it visible to anyone on your team who has access to the CRM system. This step is crucial because it marks the beginning of actively managing this sales opportunity. And there you have it. You've successfully built a sales pipeline in Brevo. By following these simple steps, you're now on your way to managing your sales process more efficiently and effectively. Remember, the key to a successful sales pipeline is regular follow-up and maintaining clear communication with your potential clients. This process might seem straightforward, but it can make a huge difference in how you handle sales and customer relationships. Keep your pipeline up to date, and don't forget to regularly review and adjust your strategies based on the data you gather. This will ensure that your sales efforts remain aligned with your business goals. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales strategy. Happy selling!